think, continuing the series of hymns and psalms that I've been reading out of this book, Liebe Hymnis a Salmo. Again, written originally in 1962 by the bard Matt Mellan, or his other name is given as Talek Cwnwyn. All credit goes to the Leif Knuit Cambron. I thought I'd read you something a little bit different today. This is a very short Welsh hymnal instead of the Scottish Dundee that I read from you, Dundee tune based hymn. This one's a little different. It's called Ahith a Nos. Okay, I'll hold it up for you briefly. You can see the page 24 and all the associated text, and not translation but the English version I'll put in the text box below. It is an unusual one because again the tune is consistent, and this is really the words in Cornish are adapted just to the tune, and there's no consistency between any of the English versions and the Cornish version. I'll try and break it down for you a little bit if you're at all interested. So yes, if you try to map one to the other, neither the Welsh nor the Cornish actually maps to the English. Neither the English nor the Welsh maps to the Cornish. In this instance, it just keeps the tune. I'll put a link to where you can find the tune for this particular hymnal. I will not be sticking to it. I'll be reading from my own meter again, partly because it's really slow and you don't want to be subjected to my attempt at my singing voice. But I'll read it for you, then I'll break it at the first verse down for you as well, so you can have an understanding of what is actually written. Okay, Ahith a Nos, which just means all through the night in English, or Dyles all a nos in Cornish as it is. Dw annef te a golo tilda, formius delos, nos leg powers de threglafir, nef regag nos. Regan gwitho nerth tha elef, al tam von dre tha tregereth. Fin hinros a sansoleth, dres ol a nos. Dw in cusc tha de fin gwithni, hain manans. Ith the flesians weg disgwythni above sgwythians. And diwetha tromp an glewin, byth genen ha ni a sowin. Ith wallowis plesta the win, Rothin Bunans. Rothin Bunans. Instead of the word for Devon, which I should have said instead. Rothin Bunans. Not a give us Devon, which actually should have been give us life, which is the last word in it. Give to us life. So the first verse, because it's not really comparison in English, is Dura nef tia golo dulda, God of heaven, land, light and darkness. The next line is Formia delos, you are the former of it, the maker of the world. Next line, Nos veleg povos de thrag lefir. Lefir, just like get it in Welsh, also Latin root to labour, same. The word in Welsh is like even for the Labour Party is just Lefir, double L, single L in Cornish. So night for rest, day for work. Okay. Nebreagn los, you are the one who's given it to us. Regan gwitho nath elef, safeguarding strength of your angels. You are the one who's given it to us. In effect, not a literal translation, that's what it means. O tanvon dreitha trigereth, sending through your compassion. Trigereth, we did to diregereth there, because it can be in compassion but has a few additional meanings to it as well. Fin ros as sensoleth, to us, and then plural of dreams, and then it's just literally of piety or sanctity. So you have sent to us through your compassion dreams to us of sanctity or piety. And the last word in the first paragraph is Dres all a nos, through all the night. Just to give you a flavour of what is actually written in Cornish, because there isn't any equivalent English I can find. Hope that is useful in some way. I leave the second verse, you can have a look and guess maybe what the meaning is, or look up words on the internet, but I'll keep the video under 5 minutes. So there you go, one more hymn from the Liebe Hymnis a Salmo. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you another time.